If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Me reacting to the music video that I'm in. So basically, this whole shoot started from. I had to be there at 4 p.m. We started filming at around 8 p.m. all the way to 8 in the morning. Yeah. So let's get into this because this took so long. And no, I didn't get paid. I was just doing it for a friend. If you guys haven't seen it already. Directed by Brad Wong and Amber Liu. I've made some That's some fucked up shit. This man just come up and just like, does he even have a gun? Also, Hedgen is in this as well. I've made some bad decisions. Can you find me? Can you guys find me? I want you to spam in the chat once I'm there. All right. Tell me where you see me. I've made some bad decisions, but I got it right with you, I'm lost in so many ways. With you, I know what to do. I've made some bad decisions. You really have to pay close attention to see me. I'm like in a small part. Bruh, you know what's crazy that no one's gonna know until I tell you right now? They're right next to Amber on the left. Yeah. So I'm the third alien. So I was supposed to wear this outfit too, but my thick ass could not fit in there. Yeah. Also another tip. Well, I'll talk about it afterwards. K-pop, thank you for the sub with the front. I saw the video today. It was fun and catchy. Thank you. I appreciate you. Is that Emily next to Amber? Yeah, that's Emily Gold with me and Amber. There's no point that I know, and I swear I'm alright. I like being lazy to 105. Count my bills when the money is right. Reap what I sow, overthinking the night. Oh, don't trust myself, no. Can't even stand myself. It's so weird seeing myself in music videos now. I love this shot right here, where we're just like taking food and piling it up. I have a freaking watermelon and a Red Bull and some cupcakes. I know what to do. Right with you, baby. I'll be myself for you, just to be. Yeah. They made us look like high as off this food, bro. And I'll give you love. Thank you, Buttercup Jones. Sometimes I'm not enough, but you. When you're in a food coma. Say you're sure enough. So basically, we get like, you know, when you get a food coma when you eat too much, that's basically what happened. Gave me so many chances, so let's chalk it up to love. So basically, we fall asleep and the humans take our guns. I've made some bad decisions, but I got it right with you. Look at that, and then we got special guest Hedgen. And they're like, let's go. We gotta take over, bro. You know how many times we shot this shot? I'm lost in so many ways. With you, I know what to do. I've made some bad decisions, but I got it right with you, Cute music video. Pants. So this is a onesie, right? Again, this onesie did not fit me because of my thick ass. So this shit, I was supposed to wear it like as a one suit, like a big like silver thing, but it fit, right? When I wore it completely, it went up it really cupped my, it cupped a lot. It shows like it's printed. The tuck strategy, yeah, but it was already like
Wedgied. That's me. You know, you ever had a straw and it just like plays around with you, and now you're just playing like catch a straw in front of everybody? If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. I don't know if you know Wusong from The Rose. If you guys know who that is, make some noise. In this as well, but not as much as the one I was with Amber. Yeah, I was in this as well. This is when I first moved to LA. I was given the opportunity to be in his music video. Did you guys not see me in this music video? For those who watch this, everybody was so nice too. Porter Robinson's kind of about, yeah, Mary. Okay. A few months ago, Dre, I didn't notice you until the second time I saw the video. Oh, word. I'm literally right here the whole time. That's also my friend Justin. That's Benji. Basically, this is my part in the music video. And then I'm just right here. Emily is right behind me too. She getting that is. She's like a bodybuilder too. This is me right here. I think I see you. It's right there. That's me. Oh shit, look at that. Who's this? Who's that? This is where I'm at. Yo, there's so many clips of me twerking in this supposedly, but they didn't use it. Hey! Look at Justin though. Yo, you know what's my idea for this music video? They never credited me for this. Oh, sorry. Ooh, Squid Game? Yeah, it's a core limited Squid Game outfit. This scene is my idea. They never, I was like, I just come here, I was like, let's go. Let's just put a heart. Or like, let's put our hands together. We tried doing a heart, but we kept on messing up. Me and Wusong. What the Benji cute though, Dre? Yeah, he's cute. Benji is actually the guy that wrote Lemonade for NCT 127. Lemonade. That's one of my favorite songs from him recently. But yeah, Lemonade. I've listened to the whole song for a while. I had no idea you were even in this video. I was in the back. This is my first time ever being in a music video actually. Fuck you. Cause I'm like 5'6", and Wusong, it's like my height too. He's wearing boots though. But yeah, those are the 2 music videos I'm in actually, which is pretty dope to think about that I was able to be in these music videos ever since I moved to LA. What do you call it? It's kind of surreal, me reacting to music. I feel like I could have had this happen if I moved to LA more, because it always happens in LA. Look at these guns. I got a lot more content coming out where I'm being included. I know I've been slacking on my YouTube shit for reactions, but I kind of want to produce more like doper shit than just reacting over there. But that's what I do on Twitch. Damn, you're installing me. Hey, I'm pretty short though. I'm pretty short, so don't expect me to be tall. Yeah. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.